Here we have a Sunbeam Talbot 2-litre Sports Tourer from 1947. It's one of just 8 survivors known to the Sunbeam Talbot Alpine Register in the UK. It's understood to have had just 4 owners from new, and it has a matching chassis and engine number. It's been the subject of a comprehensive mechanical restoration in 2022, and it's a charming and rare open-top touring version with 2-litre power in an attractive colour combination. It's entered from a significant private collection.